This is my serial request for my new Turtlebox, an open source alternative to the AMS by Bambulab. The goal was to get it working with an IDEX printer where Toolhead T0 has its own spool and Toolhead T1 is supplied with filament from the Turtlebox. This setup allows me to print with up to 5 different colors or materials simultaneously. You're now watching a filament change on T1, which takes approximately 40 seconds. On top of that, there's also the time needed to clean the nozzle, currently handled with a wipe tower. Switching between toolheads T0 and T1 takes about 5 seconds. This is the first stage of integrating the Turtlebox with an IDEX printer, which required some software modifications. The next step will be loading new filament into T1 in parallel, while T0 continues printing, but more on that next time.